Hello everybody and welcome back. Let's quickly look at the price action for 7th of July. On the daily chart we see that the price is now broken out of that internal range between supply and demand right here, and it had a massive sweep. At this point in time there is some rejection on this valid supply which you see here in the wick, and we don't know what the price is going to be doing here, but the lower time frames will tell us now. Let's go to 4H. What do we have here? There you go. So this is what I said yesterday, right? So we had a minute ago, not yesterday. What we had was that the price moved up. This did happen yesterday, and then we started having a rejection from this valid supply, right? So this is an internal 4H protected high, right? So it's definitely a valid supply, and we see some rejection. Price yesterday also swept this entire slow moving range, which is a very good sign. It completely wiped off everything, every order over here. Very good sign that the price could be moving up. We just have to see if we get any confirmation on 1H and 15 minute, but be careful, because even though this was formed by a sweep, we are entering a rejection from a valid supply zone on a 4H with an internal protected high. And then we have some valid H1 supplies here as well. Let's look at H1. At this point, what's happening? Like I said, this was supposed to be, if the price closed below this strong low, this would have been a boss, but it wiped all of these orders, swept the liquidity, and massively pushed up. Very good sign. The price still keeps moving up, but like I said, there's some heavy rejection going on here. This POI that you see I have marked here was again formed just like yesterday's orders formed by sweep. So it did take out this low, came in, came back, came in, and then we had an internal 1H chalk, internal of the internal 1H chalk, right? This chalk happened here. There was a 1H chalk to the bearish, 4H chalk to the bearish. So this is the main one that I'm looking at now. This is the internal that we are looking at, right? And it could be that the price goes into this weak supply. It could be the price goes here, rejects. It could be it pulls back deeper. We look at our edge and then we see what's going on. I've marked out 2 alarms over here to see how my 15-minute model plays out, and then we'll see if you're interested in that trade. I do see some rejection of the liquidity over here. It did have a nice sweep. My chalk is way up here. Do I have enough risk to reward ratio to go back a little higher into this? We'll have to see, but that is something that I'll keep my eye out for a possible long, because if we have to go long, this demand zone has to hold. If this fails, then we're dropping because there's tons of imbalance below. All right guys, y'all have a good one. Take care. Bye bye now.